What is this, honey? What is this? Nene voice. Ooh. My scalp. Okay. Hi, I'm 10 months locked since August 1st, but what day is it today? It's August 3rd. I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm going to retwist my hair. My hair, y'all, a little 10-month update for you. My hair, it's feeling itchy now, but that's just 'cause I need to wash it. But it has been dry and flaky, and I'm like, what's tea? What's up? Like, I went to go put my hair in a ponytail, and I was like, yo, what is this, honey? What is this? Nene voice. It's just like, yo, you see that? It doesn't itch a whole bunch. It's just flaky. I can't be walking around looking like a snow globe, okay? About to wash my hair. Honestly, the past 2 times that I washed my hair, I have not washed it with my Selsun Blue, and I wonder if that's why. Whatever, regardless, we gonna fix it. Maybe do a little oil treatment also, just to give my hair some TLC. I'm gonna be busy the next couple days, and so when I retwist it, I think I'm also gonna try to 2-strand twist it, because I want something like long lasting. Yeah, I want something long lasting. I was gonna say I want something I could just wake up and go, girl, you got locks. I can always wake up and go. All right, I'm back. I'm like, it's so bright and beautiful right there, but my mirror is right here, and like this mirror is so big, I don't got time for the maneuvering. I do not have time for the maneuvering. It looks so bright over there. My background wouldn't be like how I want, whatever. Okay, here's what my hair is looking like. We fresh out the shower with it. It best be clean. Did I just put this? The only like irritating part about having long nails, I just put lotion on, so it's like lotion underneath my nails and stuff. Kind of went in when I was washing, so hopefully majority of the dandruff is gone. This is what my hair is looking like. I swear I was just doing my 9-month update. We're already back in business. Look at this one. Water and oil, vitamin E oil. I'm gonna spray it all over. Leave-in conditioner. Macadamia healing oil. Okay, I'm back. I was gonna have an attitude, but I think I like made it cute-ish. I haven't done my edges yet. It will of course look better once I do my edges, but I just put it into 2 buns up here. You can already see rubber bands starting to pop. Me and elastics, it just ain't it, bro. Like, why? But this retwist look good though. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will get back with y'all later. Bye. Thanks for watching. I feel like I be forgetting to say that, but I'm not gonna forget it this time. So thanks for watching. Now bye for real.